Hello, my name is Andrea Bellot, and I teach English Literature and Culture at Rovira Virgili University. So assessment in COIL modules is essential for ensuring learning objectives are properly met. So in this short video, I will explore best practices for designing rubrics that foster especially collaboration, critical thinking, and intercultural competence. Rubrics are very good tools for providing transparency in grading and to help students understand expectations and self-assessment as well. Rubrics also guarantee fairness and consistency in the evaluation process, especially in intercultural settings where grading norms may be different. Now let's have a quick look at key components of an effective COIL rubric. First of all, we need to consider the learning objectives. Yes, they need to be properly aligned with the COIL module objectives, and ideally, they need to be co-designed by the teachers involved in the COIL module. Then we need to have a look at the criteria. We need to define clear categories such as communication, collaboration, intercultural awareness. Also, descriptors are very important, and we need to use detailed descriptors such as excellent, good, in need of improvement, and weighting as well. Yes, we need to give. We can give the same points or different points to the different sections, right? So let's have a quick look at this example. So as you can see here, the criteria is properly defined, such as teamwork, reflection depth, digital tools, and discussion engagement, and also the descriptors, right? Like the excellent, good, needs improvement, or poor. So there are challenges in designing COIL rubrics. So let's briefly discuss some of these challenges and some of the solutions we can provide. So we need to be careful with the descriptors, like I said earlier, because students need to know that there is no subjectivity in their grading, right? Also, sometimes different institutions and different teachers come from different academic backgrounds. So it's very important before we begin with a COIL module to align criteria between the two partners. And lastly, it's also relevant for the students to feel they are engaged in their learning process. So we need to include self and peer assessment as well. So to sum up, clear rubrics are essential for learning assessment. They add transparency and consistency. Effective rubrics also help students engage in meaningful activities, and at the same time, they provide fair evaluation. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please feel free to reach out.